The sign worked. Rise bakery.
Today, I'm trying my hand at becoming a baker. Let's go. G'day, Jay.
Hey, man.
I'm thinking you, me, bake a heap of cupcakes. Then we load them up, go give them out to people on the street. Sound good?
Sounds good, man.
All right, let's get to it, brother.
Let's do it.
PS, I don't actually know how to bake. And PS, there'll be a few moments today where I just got to tell the people about the new Ford Transit Custom. Just go along with it, okay? Cool, right, baking though, what are we doing?
Yeah, sweet.
Won't close, mate.
You gotta put some pressure.
Cupcakes. And with the magic of television, here's some. I didn't prepare earlier, but they did. Rise Bakery. Who is licking this? You don't get to lick them here.
No.
Right, we're going to another bakery.
No, what you Yeah? My honest score out of 10, my icing, my decorating, go.
I'll give you a 5.
Right. Check this out. How many cupcakes could you fit in there? And look, nice flat floor, slide on in. Should be right. Right. So you know how in vans, you usually picture people all crammed up with like their knees around their ears. Yeah. Not in here. Look how much space it is. Huge, eh?
Hey, aren't those cupcakes for the people?
Nothing for free here. Nothing for free.
Look at this I made. People need to see them. You grab some. Free. We're delivering smiles. Want a free cupcake? It'll help you with your miles. Poplar Miles #1 bakery.
Thank you so much.
There you go. Yeah. I just need you guys to look at this camera and say, wow, the Ford Transit Custom van looks amazing. And go.
Wow, the Ford that looks amazing.
Looks like you could fit lots in that Ford Transit right there, though.
That was good, bro. That was good, bro.
Free cupcake, bro?
Oh, Jake. So did you know, right, that the shifter used to be here. They've moved the shifter out of the way. It's over here now. Look at all this space.
Cool, bro.
That's all I want to tell you. You got to go back to giving out cupcakes now.
Alright.
Get off the van. Job well done, bro. So I'm officially like a baker now.
I think just stick to the driver.
Stick to driver. Fair call. Right, let's go. I don't have to do this and look out the window. There's a giant. Maybe I'm not even a good enough driver, mate.